The Brezza VXi features a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus infotainment system. Let's explore its core features. This 9-inch touchscreen provides access to all essential functions. For Bluetooth connectivity, access vehicle settings on the touchscreen. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, select the Brezza, and confirm the PIN. This enables hands-free calling and audio streaming. Ensure your phone supports Bluetooth 4.0 or newer, and reset the system if connections fail. The navigation system uses embedded maps and integrates with Google Maps. Input destinations using voice commands or the touchscreen. Receive traffic alerts and optimized routes. Make sure GPS permissions are enabled and update maps via USB or over-the-air updates. For Android Auto, connect wirelessly or via USB. Make sure the Android Auto app is installed on your phone. Select Android Auto on the screen to start. Minimize app overload to maintain stable mirroring and use the voice button for hands-free control. For Apple CarPlay, connect wirelessly or via USB. Plug in your iPhone or pair wirelessly to access Siri, Messages, and Apple Maps. Minimize app overload to maintain stable mirroring and use the voice button for hands-free control. Let's address common troubleshooting issues with the Brezza VXi Infotainment System. Connectivity drops and app crashes can often be resolved by updating to the latest firmware version 2.5.1, released in August 2025. If screen mirroring becomes unstable, try reducing the number of apps running simultaneously. For persistent Bluetooth problems, a system reset usually fixes the issue. Looking ahead, the Brezza VXi Infotainment System aligns with key industry trends, focusing on smartphone mirroring and wireless connectivity. Over-the-air updates, introduced in 2024, help extend the system's lifespan without dealership visits. Future models may include AI enhancements like navigation based on driving habits. The industry is shifting towards cloud-based systems for real-time traffic updates and advanced features that don't rely heavily on phone data. Remember to keep your system current with regular OTA updates.